The Ministry of Agriculture has established a task force with a view to reviving the sugar sector. This follows a directive from President Uhuru Kenyatta to establish task forces aimed at streamlining operations of the maize and sugar sectors. The two are critical sectors of the country's agriculture pillar and have in recent years faced gross mismanagement of public assets as well as inefficiencies in operations that have led to damaged livelihoods for farmers.
Assessing Kenya's competitiveness as a sugar-producing country will be one of the key mandates of the task force. Its findings are likely to be a matter of great interest, coming just 4 months after Kenya secured a 2-year extension of a safeguard on imports from the common market for Eastern and Southern Africa region.
We are still protected another 2 years, but this must come to an end. That is why we are saying even other countries are tired of us. If we cannot sort out our issues, every 2 years we want another extension.
Thousands of livelihoods, particularly in the western part of the country's sugar belt, have been adversely affected by poor management of state assets in the sugar industry, with the industry's potential far from being realized. The volume of sugar produced in the country is not sufficient to meet the demand, which means Kenya imports the product. That scenario has seen unscrupulous businessmen take advantage to import sugar illegally and make handsome returns from selling it to unsuspecting customers. The task force, which has 30 days to deliver its report, is expected to, among other things, provide guidance on how best to revitalize state-owned sugar millers.
I don't want to preempt. We have said that they are going to give us recommendations. And I believe that that should be one of the recommendations that will be coming up, whether to privatize or not.
It is a race against time, as the new Sugar Task Force has exactly 30 days to deliver what should be a blueprint for the recovery of a sector whose fortunes are fast dwindling. Julian Samboko, NTV.